In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, you need to click on this icon of a photo and a paper clip. Tap on audio at the top and look for it over here. You can also locate it in one of those apps or by tapping on those three lines in one of those sources. After finding your file, just hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one, click on the same section and add your video the same way. The only difference is you need to tap on Videos at the top. Then hold it and click on Select. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!